Un 20. Hello, my name is Oscar Alejandro, and I'm gonna talk about the different parasites on the food. But first, what defines a parasite? Well, it's an organism who lives living on or inside the host and cause different issues like diarrhea, inflammation, or inclusive organ system failure, causing death of the host. And are many classifications. Three of them are protozoas, helminths, and ectoparasites. And protozoas and helminths living inside of the host because they need the different vitamins and minerals to have the host. Who are more common in the food? The protozoas and helminths are the most common because their eggs or infection stage are typically inside the host or the food. Ectoparasites are more common on the host, but usually not in the food. Well, the general characteristics and some examples of the protozoa they are common, very small, and they only can see them on the microscope, are single-celled and reproduce inside of the hosts. Most of them are very aggressive and cause very dangerous issues. Some examples are Dedenium, Paramecium, Trypanosoma, and Giardenia duodenalis. Cause giardiasis. It's a major global concern living in the intestines of humans and animals. In the US, it's a frequent cause of illness spread via contaminated water or food. Cryptosporidium parvum is a one-cell parasite and a significant cause of waterborne and foodborne illness worldwide. It affects the intestines of herd animals like cows and sheep and can cause illness in the intestines of lungs. Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis and is the third major cause of death from foodborne disease. It only can reproduce in cats and is released short of the feces. Some general characteristics and some examples of helminths are large and multi-cell organisms. Most of them can usually see them without a microscope. And some of them are flatbone or platyhelminthes, and others are roundworms or usually named nematodes. Trichinella spiralis is an intestinal roundworm who causes trichinellosis. This parasite from cysts in the muscles. We can only infect us with this parasite eating raw or undercooked pork. Taenia solum is a flatworm who causes teniasis, condition when the adult form infects the intestines, and cysticercosis, more serious tissue infections outside the intestines caused by the larval stage of the pork tapeworm. And well, why is it important to know all these parasites? For personal relevance, this information is important as it correlates with the studies in my career based on parasite observations and identifications, and coursework relevant to signature subjects like helminths, protozoology, parasitic physiology, and anatomy. Y siento que como quiera.